Question 3. In figure, if LM parallel to BC and LN parallel to CD, prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. In triangle ABC, ML parallel to BC. Therefore, remaining side AB and AC ratio are same. AB ratio AM by MB is equal to AC ratio AL by LC. Equation first by basic proportionality theorem. In triangle ADC, AD size ratio AN by ND is equal to AC side ratio AL by LC. Equation number second by basic proportionality theorem. From first and second right hand side equal, therefore left hand side equal. First left hand side AM by MB equal to second left hand side AN by ND. By invertendo property, MB by AM is equal to ND by AN. Adding 1 both sides, MB by AM plus 1 is equal to ND by AN plus 1. MB plus AM on the AM by AM is equal to ND plus AN by AN. MB plus AM AB by AM. ND plus AN AD by AN. Reciprocal AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Hence proved.